NASA has partnered with IBM Research to use generative AI to create a geospatial foundation model that uses satellite data to enable geospatial analysis 3 to 4 times faster than traditional methods. Imagine looking at Earth from space, seeing everything in detail. But analyzing all this data takes time. That's where NASA and super smart AI come in. NASA teamed up with IBM to build a special AI called the Generative Foundation Model. This AI is like a super-powered map reader, trained on tons of satellite data. This AI can analyze satellite images 3 to 4 times faster than traditional methods. It can find changes like deforestation or floods in a flash. This faster analysis helps us understand Earth better, so we can protect our forests, manage resources wisely, and even prepare for disasters. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember that super smart AI is helping us take care of our amazing planet. You can also learn generative AI in one simple step. DM us and we will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.